So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the frame rate in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is download the CapCut app on your PC. Once you've done that, you can see right here it's turning orange. They really explain it very well on how to use it. You even receive a short tutorial, but for these key frame rate changes, you don't see any of the adjustments on here. Even under the adjust screen, there just isn't any frame rate options. And what you can do once you're satisfied with the video, but you can do it even when you're not satisfied, is go to this button right here. Now on here, this pale blue button says export. Click on that. On the export button, you're gonna be open on here, keep, remove, stuff like that, and you can see the video options. So if it's hidden, open it up. So that's very important to say because you won't be able to see it. You can see the resolution which they are giving you. Then you can see size of the video. If you of course use better resolution, you will again receive better quality. But for frame rate, you can see right here. So on here you can see use the regular 30 FPS. You can choose 50, 60 even if it's really important for your video to be in 60 FPS. You can do that as well, but make sure that once you change it, you will need to get a glimpse of how it will look. So on here, this current frame rate isn't the same as of the project. You may see some differences in there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.